everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet Mikasa scarf, and I'm gonna use 5.5mm hook size, and I have this 200-gram yarn, and this is maroon color, and I have a scissor and I have a measuring tape for scarf size. So now let's get started. Start with a slip knot. And if you want to make a longer scarf, you can add 300 chains, but if you want a little bit shorter, you can add just like 250 chains. But for now I'm going to make a little bit longer. So after making these chains, we will measure with measuring tape. First of all, let's make a chain. I have one, so we are going to make a 290 chains. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. I have a total of 290 chains here, so I'm gonna measure with a measuring tape. So first of all, let me do it. So total is 60. First I measure from here to here, and it was 60, and then after that I measure it again from this middle part, and it was like 30. That means we have total of 60 plus 30, 90 inch. Now let's get to the next part, round number 2. Okay, first round number 1, and we will go to round 2. Then we are going to do half double crochet from here. In 290 chains, we are just going to make half double crochet in every stitches until we reach the last part. Round number 2. This is round number 1. I did half double crochet in every stitches. Now let's go to round 2. For round 2, we will be making chain 1, turn around your work, and we are going to work just in the back loops, this part. Let's make a back, like we can do half double crochet, as well as we can do any other patterns, like it looks like a knitting. Okay, let me try if it is work, and we can follow this pattern. This is a slip stitch. Again, make a slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch. And this pattern looks like a knitting. So here you can see this pattern looks like a knitting. Okay, I think we should follow this pattern. Okay, we're just going to continue working on the same pattern, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. So I'm in the last stitch of round number 2, and we are just going to follow the same pattern, but at last I'm going to do with the same with both loops. At last we are just going to make in the same pattern and chain 1, turn around, and round 3 follow the same pattern for round number 3, and then round number 4, round number 5, round number 6, 7, 8, just repeat the same pattern. Okay, I'll meet you at the end of this scarf. Okay, I just finished this row number 9, and I have row number 9 and going to complete this scarf here. Let's make another knitting process. At last we are going to do half double crochet and slip stitch and chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off. Leave a little bit longer so that we can secure this. And we can hide this yarn like this. Everyone, don't forget to do like, subscribe, and share at the same time. And we are going to make a next pattern for this Mikasa scarf. Let me just cut it down here. So now we are going to make a fringe. To make a fringe, we need to measure from here. Take it longer. I think this much is a little bit fine. So we need to cut this off. We're going to measure it one more times. This much is fine, so we are going to cut it down here. And we are going to measure this yarn and cut it down, and we'll be making total 8 fringe. already making 2, and we are going to do total of 8. I'm gonna show you how to fit this, okay? First of all, you have to bend this yarn like this, and we need to bend out, and we have to cut it down right over here. After doing this, we are going to insert this fringe right over here, and we will be doing this for 8 times. We already have 1. Now we need to make a same. We're just going to cut it down and make it the same label. So we'll just continue with the same pattern. So finally I'm done with the scarf, and it's looking so elegant. I like it so much. Mikasa scarf. And this much for today. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!